straight when the stars are not on. Amen. For whatever the reason is. Okay. Off to go get straight when the stars are not on. Amen. For whatever the reason is. Okay, that's the end.
Oh!
Holy shit!
Dios santo bendito.
At the same time.
Walk in, okay?
Sparse, selective use of the C word versus liberal use of the B word. I'm not sure. It's like,
Well, I don't
one
do
is
either of those, just to
better.
be clear. I don't do
Holy
I never was
fuck.
a champion of women.
Oh my god! Holy fucking shit. Oh my god.
This jack in front is why you don't play with your phone when you are driving. He's bounced off the curb twice. I think he's, or she maybe, he's now actually looking in front of them. Oh, no, here we go. Oh, nearly. Oh, into the other lane? When are we going to come back? Are we going to drive into that car? No, oh no, we're going over 2 lanes. It's a very important man. Wow, that's whoa, goodness gracious, boom!
Oh my god!
Holy shit, I didn't think they were paying attention. Fuck me.
Stop. Oh my god.
Hey Siri.
I'm calling
Yeah, call 911 and put it on audio.
911?
Yep.
Fuck. Fuck.
There's no other gas stations.
Not even Queensway?
Queensway and where? Kipling?
Yeah. Oh my god. And if that's not working, let's head over to the harbor. I bet they're doing a 4:31.
Okay.
Beyond 100% stuff. That would be incredible.
Nope.
Fucking hell! Sorry, County 30. I'm going to be on a traffic stop. We Highway 69 and 150th. Stand by, 1050, roll me, EMS.
Copy, I'm sorry, that way, Highway 69, 150th.
Hey, you alright? Hey, are you guys okay? Nope. So yeah, we're gonna head on over and.
Yeah, of course. Of course.
Oh, dude! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh shit! I'm gonna check on her. Yeah, yeah.
Good?
You all right?
No, relax that. You're fine.
You got your ID on you? Holy shit.
Yeah, so semi roll over 31A. Get us EMS en route.
Casey, watch out!
I almost got hit by a truck. Number 31.
Oh, wait, did you advise you were struck?
No.
Are you all right, sir?
She may be a little bit jarred. I feel okay.
They were actually doing 1075.
Perfect, please.
84th and Grant.
Okay, William Robert, Lincoln, John, what was last one?
He's running from me southbound I-25 from 84th.
Copy also on the highway, section I-25 from 84th. Will you confirm that plate you cut out? I got Roy Robert Lincoln John 9.
Crash. I got a good grapple though, southbound I-25 and 84th.
I copy. The vehicle crashed or you crashed?